Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video I'm excited to do, it's going to be a little twofer episode. I am first going to be doing a palette bingo. That is why I have no eyeshadow on yet. So we're going to be doing a little palette bingo, a fun one, I hope. I'm going to finish it off with a little haul, but of course I want to do the palette bingo first. I mean, like, hopefully it comes out. Can you tell I'm nervous? But hopefully it comes out well. But I am also excited to say that this video is sponsored by E.L.F Cosmetics. I have been able to work with E.L.F a couple times now, which always has me very excited. And I thought it would be really fun to do a palette bingo with some of these mini bite-sized palettes. I have six of them here. So we have 24 shades that have some potential to be in the palette bingo, but I just thought it'd be something kind of fun to do. I really like these eyeshadow palettes. I have recommended them a lot. I know a lot of people have really enjoyed them. These are only $3 each for the 4 shades in each of them, and they have, obviously I have 6 here. I think there's 7 or 8 total, so I don't have them all, but I want them all. I want them all. But because I have so many, I just thought it'd be something fun and just kind of like fun and relaxing for you to watch me try to do a palette bingo, because it's like the opposite of relaxing for me. But that is what we are going to do first, and then I just purchased a few new items from the E.L.F Cosmetics website, so I will finish off at the end with a haul. But thank you so much to E.L.F Cosmetics for working with me on this video. I will link everything that I'm using down below, of course, and why don't we go ahead and get started. So like I said, I have 6 of the mini bite-sized palettes. Again, these are only $3 each. The formula is so nice on these. I highly recommend them. So they're gonna go from like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm doing the shades as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna put them in the number generator as a 1 through 24. So there we go. So 1 is Cream and Sugar, 2 is Rose Water, love that one, 3 is Pumpkin Pie, 4 is going to be Berry Bad, 5 is going to be Carnival Candy, and then number 6, this is my newest one to me. This is Acai You. Yes, Acai You. So this is the blue one. So, okay, so obviously I have a lot of neutrals in here. We have some mauves, we have some bronzy tones, but we do also have this kind of deeper blue in the Carnival Candy, and then this guy is like the true wild card. So, okay, let me get them in order again, and then I'm going to pull up my random generator, and I'm going to choose 5 shades. That's normally what I do for palette bingos, is 5 shades. So I've just pulled up random generator. 9 is what already popped up. I haven't actually put anything in here yet. So we are doing 24 shades, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate, and we have 18. It's gonna take me a second to do some math here. Hold please. So 18 would come from Carnival Candy, and number 18, I so hope I don't mess this up, but it's going to be this matte brown shade. Whoo, okay, yeah. Like immediately relieved to have this one in here. Okay, all right, starting off strong with kind of like your matte camel brown. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate again. So next up we have 13. 13 is gonna come from the Berry Bad palette, and it is going to be the first shade in here. Ooh, am I just gonna like put together my perfect palette with this palette bingo? I mean, I would not be mad at that for sure. I don't do palette bingos often because they tend to stress me out a little bit. But okay, so we have like your matte, like light pink, like light pinky rose color. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna hit generate again. So we have number 7. 7 is going to come from Rose Water, and it is going to be the 3rd shade in here. So we have a shimmer. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, okay. Yes, going well, going well. We need 2 more shades, so I'm gonna hit generate. We got 14. So 14 is coming back into the Berry Bad, and it is going to be the 2nd shade in here. So we have another shimmer. Okay, so I'm already kind of thinking like Halo Eye maybe? All right, so we have 1 more shade left to go. Let me go ahead and hit generate, and we have number 5. So that is gonna come from Rose Water, and that is going, okay, so that's gonna be the first one. I have never gotten this lucky in a palette bingo ever. Like I honestly, like I can't even believe what has happened here. I can do this. I can do this. Watch, I'm not going to be able to do this. Right, so this is my palette bingo. I mean, I feel like it's very cohesive with the shades. You know, we obviously have this like darker matte brown. You know, this one, the shimmer here, that's going to be kind of fun. So, oh, now I got to remember what palettes I chose out from what shades. Yes, I might have to go back and rewatch this, but let me get my ears on and grab some brushes and we will create a look with this palette bingo. The makeup gods are looking down on me today. So I got my ears on, got some brushes next to me. So the palette bingo chose out 3 palettes: Carnival Candy, Very Bad, and then Rose Water. Oh, okay, and I actually think I have an idea. Like, I think I even know what I'm doing. I think I'm first, and I'm gonna do a really shimmery halo eye. So I'm first gonna use this one here from the Very Bad palette. That's what I'm gonna start with, and I'm gonna put that on the inner and outer part of my eye. And I said, I really like these palettes from E.L.F. I think the quality is so good. A lot of times I will wet my brushes when it comes to using shimmer shades to help with fallout, to make them pop a little bit more. But you honestly do not need to do that with these palettes, and they just perform so well. So I'm putting this first shade right in the outer part of the eye and the inner part of my eye, and then I'm going to come in with another shimmer and pop it in the center. So I don't mind, like, I just kind of make it a little bit messy because I can come back and define it. I am going to put a matte in my crease also to blend everything out, so it's going to look a little bit choppy in the beginning, but again, that's okay. I feel like the random number generator knew that I've been like having a tough time. They knew that I just wanted to sit down and like have fun. And they're like, don't worry, girl, we got you. Because I don't think I've ever had a palette bingo where I get done choosing the numbers and I'm like, okay, I got this. Which is probably why you don't see palette bingos a lot on my channel, quite honestly. I want to take the other shimmer, this one right here. I'm going to leave the lighter one for later. So I'm going to do the other one. That came from the Rose Water palette, and that was the 3rd shade. I don't know if I would necessarily think to pair these together for the halo eye, but you know, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna take the same brush, I'm gonna use the other side, and I'm gonna put that one right in the center. I mean, who knows? This is like kind of the fun part. You can just experiment and see what happens. Actually, that looks kind of cool. So again, totally dry brush, and look at how beautiful. I'm kind of flabbergasted by these little mini palettes, quite honestly. I love them. That looks really cool. So, and then with halo eyes, I just kind of come back and I build up the outer shade a little bit more, and then the inner. So far, so good. Then I'm just going to lightly run the matte shade that was chosen, and this one is also in the Very Bad. I'm just going to run this really lightly through my crease. Sometimes with halo eyes, I'll do a matte, sometimes I don't, but this one is pretty light, and I think that it'll just help everything look really smooth here. So again, just really lightly gonna run that shade back and forth. I did add a little bit of purple to my waterline, and for the lower lash line, I am just going to mix together the 2 mattes that were chosen out. So this one here in Carnival Candy, and then also the one that I just used from the Very Bad palette. I'm going to sweep that on the lower lash line. And to use the 5th and final shadow that came from Rose Water, this first one here, I'm just going to use this as my inner corner and also a brow bone highlight. If you think that this was rigged, I wouldn't even have been able to come up with this on my own. It's such a perfect combo. I'm so happy. Like, I'm seriously so happy right now. It's fun to see how you could use these palettes together to create a look. If you have a bunch and you don't want to just use one, this is a good way to do it. I kind of want to do it again. Okay, that might be pushing it. That might be pushing my look a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and add mascara to finish off the eyes. So I did add my mascara and then finish off the rest of my face, but this is the final eye look. I can't believe it. I'm so shocked. I've never had this kind of luck with a palette bingo. I'm so happy right now, and I will for sure do this look again. I love it. It's so me with the mauve tones and the berry. I think it looks beautiful with green eyes. I am just like overjoyed if you can't tell. Oh my goodness, I had so much fun doing this palette bingo with these E.L.F. bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. Have you guys tried these? Which ones do you have? Definitely let me know. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this palette bingo because like I'm so happy right now. But like I said, I also want to finish off with a haul. I was able to pick up a few things from the E.L.F. Cosmetics website, so I wanted to share those with you and let you know what I will be reviewing soon. So let's jump into part 2 of the haul. All right, for this haul, I did pick up some skincare, so I'm going to go through those products first. So I chose out this toner. This is the Super Toned, a toner with brightening fruit acids. It says superhero is the alpha hydroxy from fruit acids to brighten the complexion and provide gentle chemical exfoliation. So you're supposed to use this once a day in the evening. So this is a really good size toner. This is $8. The super mask. Okay, so this is supposed to soothe and help with redness, which I definitely do have a lot of, and also support skin renewal. This one is $12. It says a soothing treatment face mask is like a warm, comforting hug for your skin. It's supposed to help calm stressed skin for a complexion that's cool as a cucumber. Of course, moisturizing is so important, so I got the Super Hydrate. This is a moisturizer with hydrated squalene. Give thirsty skin what it craves with this skin quenching, fast absorbing gel moisturizer, and this is also $12. Super Clarify Cleanser is only $6. Crazy. I love the packaging on all of this too. Like, I just think it looks so good. So this is a cleanser with clarifying niacinamide, an ingredient that I am definitely very interested in. That's to help maintain moisture content and then also tone and clarify. Grab 2 of the booster drops also. These are $10 each. I got the Sunkissed booster drops and also the antioxidant booster drops. So for the antioxidant, it says a lightweight booster supercharges your healthy products with antioxidants for an added protection. This also is enriched with niacinamide. And then for the Sunkissed booster drops, it says supercharges your routine for a sun-kissed healthy looking glow. So you can add in drops to wear alone, or you can add it into foundation, liquid, or a cream, and it'll give you a lasting golden tone for 2 to 3 days. And this is enriched with argan oil to nourish the skin. So I thought this would definitely be an interesting product to try out for the summer. So I'm very curious about that. So these again are only $10 each. Also got a couple lip products, including a lip exfoliator. This is $4, and I got the Sweet Cherry. And then also this moisturizing lipstick, and I grabbed the shade Pink Minx. So this is the lip exfoliator. Ooh, it does smell really good. Ooh, excited to try that out. And then the moisturizing lipstick is also only $4, which is fantastic. So grabbed the lip plumping gloss. I believe these are $6, and I got the shade Praline. Also got the monochromatic multi-stick in glistening peach. So this is $4. It's a versatile multi-use stick, can be used on your eyes, lips, and cheeks for a soft, glowy, monochromatic look. And then I did get another glitter. I mentioned these in my last month's video with E.L.F. These were so good. I'm so impressed with these, and these are only $5. So this shade that I picked up is in Bling Bling. Lastly, I picked up this duo. This is the Blending Sponge and Cleanser Duo. I think that's great. This was $10, which I think is fabulous for not only a sponge but also the cleanser. Those can really last a long time, so I am very excited to have that. So that is everything that I picked up in my recent E.L.F. order that I wanted to share with you. Let me know, out of everything I hauled, what are you most curious to see me use in action? Again, thank you to E.L.F. Cosmetics for working with me on this video. I hope you also enjoyed the palette bingo in the beginning. I'm still super happy about this, and since I am sitting down to film another video after this, I can't even tell you how excited I am that that palette bingo is like the best one that I've done so far. So definitely let me know your thoughts. Do you want to see more palette bingos? Do you have any other palettes that you would like to recommend that I try out for a palette bingo? Do let me know. Of course, everything is going to be linked down below. Again, thank you so much to E.L.F. for working with me. Thank you guys so much for continuing to support my videos. It really does mean so much. As always though, if you did enjoy this one, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope that you also consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.